Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to JME Chemist. Hope you all students will be fine. So today we will discuss about mitosis and cytokinesis. So let's start the topic. Although mitosis is a continuous process, biologists traditionally divide it into four stages. So mitosis, step 1, prophase. Chromosomes coil up and become visible during prophase. The nuclear envelope dissolves and a spindle forms. Step 2. Metaphase. During metaphase, the chromosomes move to the center of the cell and line up along the equator. Spindle fibers link the chromatids of each chromosome to opposite poles. Step 3. Anaphase. Centromeres divide during the anaphase. The two chromatids, now called chromosomes, now move toward opposite poles as the spindle fibers attached to them shorten. Step 4. Telophase. A nuclear envelope forms around the chromosomes at each pole. Chromosomes now at opposite poles uncoil and spindle dissolves. The spindle fibers break down and disappear. Mitosis is complete. Now let's see the diagram. Stages of mitosis. The chromosomes copies in the nucleus of a dividing cell are separated into two nuclei. So this is the stage 1 prophase. Chromosomes become visible, nuclear envelope dissolves, spindle forms. So this is the diagram. You can see the diagram is closely. Okay, you can draw. This is the step 2 metaphase. Chromosomes line up along the equator. So this is the diagram of this step 2 metaphase. Centrioles and spindle fibers. So these are the other structures. This is the step 3. Anaphase. Centromeres divide. Chromatids, now called chromosomes, move towards the opposite poles. So this is the diagram of the step 3. Now the step 4, telophase. Nuclear envelope forms at each pole. Chromosomes uncoil, spindle dissolves, cytokinesis begins. So this is the step 3. So these are all about the mitosis, and this is the complete notes. Okay, now we will move toward the cytokinesis. Is mitosis in? Cytokinesis begins. During cytokinesis, the cytoplasm of the cell is divided in half and the cell membrane grows to enclose each cell, forming two separate cells as a result. The end result of mitosis The end result of mitosis and cytokinesis is two genetically identical cells where only one cell existed before. During cytokinesis, an animal cells and other cells that lack cell walls, the cell is pinched in half by a belt of protein threads, is shown in the figure. This is belt of protein threads. And this is just like cytokinesis. Cytokinesis in animal cells, the cell membrane is pinched in half by a belt of protein threads. So this is all about the cytokinesis. Thank you.